According to China EV Post, Tesla's retail sales in China surged in November, driven by strong demand for the Model Y and Model 3. The Model Y sold 44,576 units, up 23.12% from October, accounting for 60.66% of Tesla's 73,490 total sales in November. However, this was a 10.63% drop compared to November last year. Year-to-date, Model Y sales in China reached 418,428 units, a 5.57% increase from 2023. The Model 3 saw its best month since September 2022, with 28,914 units sold in November. This marks a staggering 575.40% increase from October and an 85.03% rise compared to November last year. Year-to-date, Model 3 sales totaled 155,747 units, up 18.42%. Tesla's Shanghai factory, its largest globally with a capacity of 1 million units annually, focused on local production in November, leading to its highest monthly sales in China this year. November sales were up 81.52% from October and 12.19% higher than a year ago. However, exports from the Shanghai plant dropped sharply, with only 5,366 units exported, the lowest since June 2022. To boost year-end sales, Tesla introduced a $1,380 discount on two Model Y variants starting November. You are listening to Yuan News.